Right, this is my Royal Enfield 500 Classic, and I'm just going to drop out the rear brake pads because I've done something silly really. I put wax oil on the back wheel, well, and the front wheel, but I got some on the brake disc. I went for a little ride yesterday. Didn't realise. I thought I kept it clear, but it's got a little bit waxy. I've cleaned it all with petrol yesterday. Had the pads out and cleaned them with petrol, but they're not gripping quite as well as they should. So I'm just going to drop the pads out again. And I thought I'd just as well show you what an easy job it is. Right, so here we go. You pull this little clip here out, and then there's another one here, that one there. Pull that one off, push that pin back, and there's one pad out and there's the other. So there you go. How easy is that? I mean, they look pretty clean. They don't look bad at all. But I think I'll give it a little rough up with the sander. So there you go. And refitting is obviously the reverse of taking out. Okay, cheers.